Okay, I think this is day 3, I think, and all I had is this bunch right here to take out. Now, excuse across the way, they just started mowing their lawn. Yeah. So I know these 2 clear bins are going in the shed, and I'm not sure it's in that one. I have to look in that one. But my paints over there, those staying out here in the garage, my spray paint and paint I'm using in the house, they will stay in the garage. Now, if anybody knows what I can do with the paint that was here already that we don't want, let me know what to do with that, because I don't know what to do with all that paint. And then this stuff here that goes on the lawn care, I know I want to put it on this side of the garage, but some of this has to go out in the shed. I don't know if he's going to take the pit or this, but one of those needs to go out in the shed in order for this to move on this side of the garage. And then I can disperse some of this other stuff. I think that's his box, that's his box, and these are some outside lights. And some of this is tools, some of this is my crap. But I know this here is going over there in that corner, because that box is going in the trash over there, and some of that stuff over there, they have homes that they're going to go to. But then once I get this here cleaned out, my goal is to get this alley cleaned out today. And once I get this alley cleaned out, then I'll be able to put my 2 new shelves together, which are right there in that box. I got 2 more of those shelves over there. So once I get those 2 put together, then I'm going to rearrange my dishes storage and vases and candle. I'm going to rearrange all of that foolishness and have it where everything is set up the way I want it, which makes it easy for me to know what's out here, which I will be loving. But your girl, it's hot out here, but I'm going to try to get this alleyway here distributed. If I can get this here moved out of here today, then I'll be doing a great accomplishment, because I think it's like, it may be about 80, 90 degrees right now, but my goal is to get this alley cleaned out today. Okay, most of the stuff that's right there is gone. That box there belongs to my husband. I don't know what it's all his grill and car stuff. Now, what I discovered in that big box are some clear vases. So I pushed that box to the side so I can get the shelves put together so I can take those out of the box. Now this, of course, is going over there. So in that corner. So I'm finna clean that corner out. So when the dolly comes back around, I can move it in that corner. So let's get to doing that area. Now, as you see here, most of this is home decor stuff and my copper cleaner and some other stuff. But as soon as I get the shelves over here, I can fix all of this. It'll look a whole lot different once I get those other two shelves and then push them all together and put stuff up there like it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna start on this corner. Now this shelf, this tray, I'm taking this in the house. I think I'm gonna put that on the coffee table. I want to do a change on that coffee table. I'm kind of tired of the way it looks. So let me turn the camera around and we get back to work. Okay, now I'm just waiting for my husband to bring the dolly back, and I'm gonna move that nightstand in that corner, and then I'm going to on top. I said tools are going to sit on top of that nightstand over there. I have like a tool bucket, and I want to keep the tools in one area so I know where they are when I come out of the garage. So they all be sitting on top. Now in that nightstand or cabinet, I keep the rocks and decorated marbles and things like that that go in the fillers for my vases and things like that. I keep them in there in containers. So kind of makes it easy on me. Okay, it's about 100 and something degrees out here right now. And as you see, I knocked out the pile, just waiting on my husband to decide what he's gonna do with that. And I have to arrange those bins and boxes back in that eave there and get that straight. Some of those boxes I have to go through is, like I said, there's vases and other home decor that'll be going on these two shelves here. Now, that right there, you see the hose wood, I'm giving that away because we don't have a wood burning fireplace anymore. And then the fire stake place pokers, I'm gonna get rid of those. We don't have, like I said, we don't have a wood burning fireplace, it's gas. Let me see. I've gotten the corner cleaned out for the table. I told you where, see, that's the tool bucket and those are tools. Those are gonna go on top of that cabinet over there, so that won't be in the floor anymore. Then the mop bucket, I will bring it into the laundry room and put it behind this door near the brooms and things, so it'll be in the house, so it won't be out here anymore. This comforter here, I'll probably take it upstairs and put it up in the closet in one of the bedrooms. The queen beds are upstairs. And then once I move that nightstand and get these bins over there where I want them and the shelves, we'll be able to pull the car in here. And that is my whole goal, is to get the car in here. I think I've done a lot today, considering that in Texas it's like 101 right now. And I am thirsty. So your girl is going in for the day. And then tomorrow morning I'll be back out here to finish sweeping, break down those 2 boxes and get them ready for trash on next week, and try to get this organized. My goal is to have this organized this weekend so we can start pulling the car in. Whew. So this is day 3, I think, going down. I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.